Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by giving Chatgpt the essentials: the original text, the intended audience, and a clear goal. Once done, paste a representative paragraph and state the desired tone and length. Make sure to include 2-3 example sentences that show style, because examples anchor the model to your voice. Also tell it which facts to keep and which to paraphrase. This first step saves time and reduces back and forth. You are teaching the model the rules for rewriting before asking it to transform the content. Now you push the process deeper by asking for multiple rewrites and specifying constraints. Request 3 variations so you can compare phrasing and tone. This gives options to mix and match. Once you have drafts, ask for line-by-line edits or point out sentences to simplify or expand, and explain why. This teaches the model how you judge quality. If needed, ask for a condensed summary or expand certain sections, and make sure to set reading level and exact word counts to stay consistent. Finish by merging the best lines from each draft, then ask Chatgpt for a smoothing pass to fix flow and transitions. Once done, perform a quick factual check and ask the model to mark any speculative claims because accuracy matters. If the tone or wording is still off, give one short counterexample showing the mistake and ask for a revision limited to those changes. Troubleshooting tip: when outputs stray, correct a single sentence and request a focused rewrite. That steers the model without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.